Well, hello there. Welcome once more to Controy's Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, I'd like to say a very warm welcome to you. Making shito, I know, is a little nerve-wracking for most people, but it is actually a very simple task. And we made this delicious one, and I thought to share with you. I hope this helps you the next time you attempt making shito. And if you try this way, it's going to turn out absolutely delicious. Come on then, and let's do some cooking. So this is dried habanero. I already blended half of it, and that's what we are using for the shito. So we are using used fish oil, and this is just hot. I've cut up some cod fillet, and we are going to fry that in here. Season. We have lots and lots of used oil over there. See that? A lot of you keep asking me what I use the oil for. So now you know. Very well seasoned fish. The shito is going to be so delicious. Adesho, yes. Here's the woman that taught me how to make Pinterest kitchen shito. The one that people in Arizona love. Another original shito maker nani.
I have about 30 years.
Now I'm 30 years, 40. So that I was school now. Yeah. I'm ready 40. Why? Yeah, she's been making shito since my dad was in school. And she taught me.
Out here, Mommy.
You found a pillow? Okay.
Where do I put it?
We have tomato paste, some onions already, more onions here, and ginger, more ginger, fish perfectly fried, crispy. It's just gonna be a little bit, but the shrimp I blended to be very rough. I'm gonna show you. So that's also going to give us a little bit of chunks. Wasa. We're gonna add the ginger, rosemary. Rosemary.
Rosemary.
Okay, a little bit of ginger. So we're using the oils. So We are not blending with any water. We want this to cook fast. This is so. Pouring the blended peppers. That's pepper powder. It's so spicy. Achoo! I be an into me. And me them into sa.
I become one once.
The meko is mekoing. Delicious. 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 Delicious.
Can you smell the aroma? Yeah. From Kwachiwa's kitchen. Yeah. Delicious.
This is the blended spices: calabash, nutmeg, rosemary, inkiti, coriander seeds,
Pepper
cloves,
and the habanero.
bay leaves. That's, I'm interpreting for her until they just hold Jamaica. Juma we are one minute.
So my dear Sika. Beyonce, and me quay, I am a mini bee.
And one
Mama
more
was a mopemoko. It's me, Pemoko.
This is curry powder. Mama brought this from Ghana. We're going to add as much as ought to be added. No measuring here. We are pouring until the ancestors tell us to stop. I actually oven roasted the shrimp, blended it, purposefully left big chunks in it for our chewing pleasure. And more than gonna add more herring. We blended this ourselves. I mean, we blended all of it ourselves, but the big container was from the mill in Ghana, and we did blend some here using the blender. Now we're going to add the shrimp. See how coarse. Yes, yes, yes. I purposefully did it that way, so it's going to have lots of bites, lots of texture. I call this Shito delight. Delightful Shito. Mama wanted me to make it smooth. I'm like,
A cacaphone.
Kaka. Emrewa home kanisa. But be careful, why? added more herring, adding more shrimp. I'm going to save a little to cook with. You know I love cooking with my shrimp powder. Okay, this should do. It should be good at this after this. And then we'll add more oil. Boil it. That's Maggi. What do you say? 4? 3.
3 in one.
That's 3 cubes in there. What do you say, Rebecca? She's gonna do another 3. We are taking a lunch break. I'm going for little Shito. God is love.
Delicious, yeah. Delicious, 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 yeah. Delicious.
Shito is done. We actually just turned it off. Mama Pijana. Yes, and it's so hot. It's still going to be boiling at this point for a while, so you don't want it to burn. Yeah, we're just gonna clean our pots and that's it.
Delicious, yeah. Delicious, da-da. Delicious, yeah. Delicious, da-da-da. Delicious, delicious.
All done. We just got up and decided to get it out of the way, and look at us. Done. Shito is completely cooled, and I'm about to can it. Just look. All the oil has come on the surface. I think you thought there was no oil in it, but after it cools off and settles, everything comes on top. I like to put a little bit of oil in my jar first. Delicious. And then I'm just going to scoop pretty much just Shito.
Delicious. Can you smell the aroma? Yeah.
You hit the fried fish in there, you know it's gonna be exciting. And I'll top it with just a little bit of the oil.
Delicious, 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 yeah, delicious. Have you been go? Tasty. Delicious.
The best holiday gift everybody will love.
Delicious.
Cleaning around your jars is very, very essential. You don't want any of the actual Shito to be lurking around, because that's when it starts going moldy. So you want to make sure it's pretty clean. The rim is clean. You want to make sure there's absolutely nothing around the rim. It's clean. You want this to be shelf stable.